Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to create a slip knot in 3 different ways. Method 1 for beginners. We are using soft yarn. You can use yarn of your choice. This is called tail end and this is the working yarn. We'll grab it and wrap around your pointer finger twice and grab the yarn tail. You can see 2 loops formed on your pointer finger. We'll name as loop 1 and loop 2. Grab loop 2 and place it in front of loop 1. Next, grab loop number 1 and pull upward. And then slide it over your pointer finger and loop off like this while holding the yarn. We can see 2 yarn strands flowing downward. We'll pull downward, and here is how we make a slip knot. Method 2 for intermediate crocheters. We will use soft yarn. This is the yarn end, we'll say tail end, and this is the working yarn. We'll hold the yarn like this in your non-dominant hand, and with your dominant hand, most probably it's a right hand for most of the people, and we'll try to form an X. This is X, and we'll pinch the X with your thumb and middle finger. This is a working yarn. We'll grab the working yarn through the loop from behind like this, and we'll pull it, and this is how we will make a slip knot. Method 3 for advanced crocheters. We will use a soft yarn, and this is the yarn tail and this is the working yarn. We'll hold the working yarn in your non-dominant hand, which is left in most of the cases, and the yarn tail in the dominant hand like this. And we'll secure the yarn tail with the help of thumb and middle finger. Hold the hook and try to form a loop. We'll rotate it, and here we'll form a loop like this, and now we'll secure it with the thumb and the middle finger. Then we'll yarn over and pull it through the loop which we just made, and here how we make a slip knot. You can use either way to start your crochet project. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe.